Ladies and gentlemen, back when I was a kid, my buddy Dave swore his idea of adventure was driving his dad's Chevy pickup to the grocery store. Then I showed up in a 1971 Chevrolet C30 Custom Camper with a Mitchell camper strapped to the back. And suddenly Dave's big adventure looked about as exciting as reorganizing a sock drawer. This rig is a house on wheels. And not just any house. It's a 1970s time capsule where wood paneling ruled and cassette stereos were cutting edge. Before we dive into this bronze beauty, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the next time I dig up a classic camper that makes your neighbor's RV look like a kid's treehouse. Now, let's talk specs because I believe that's what makes this Chevrolet C30 stand out. Under the hood sits a replacement 454 cubic inch V8. That's 7.4 liters for my metric friends. Linked to a 3-speed Turbo Hydramatic automatic transmission. The drivetrain sends power to a dually rear axle, which means you can haul your camper, your dreams, and probably your entire neighborhood barbecue setup without breaking a sweat. Service in 2023 included a new fuel pump, filters, header gaskets, starter wiring, plus a 600 CFM Holley carburetor. They even greased the suspension and driveline, because nothing ruins a road trip faster than a squeak you can't locate. The cab left the factory in medium bronze metallic with a white roof and saddle vinyl upholstery inside. Slide into those bucket seats and you're greeted with woodgrain trim, a cassette stereo, a 100 mph speedometer, and gauges for everything except the coolant temperature, which, I think, is a polite way of saying, guess if we're overheating. The odometer shows 88,000 miles, though only about 500 were added by the current owner. Now the Mitchell & Sons camper, built in Commerce City, Colorado, is a legend on its own. Finished in white with bronze accents, it's got propane and water storage, a shore power receptacle, jalousie windows, a roof vent, ladder, roof rack, and even a steel bumper out back. Inside, it's got a dinette, a lavatory, an overcab bed, and a kitchen with a 4-burner stove, oven, sink, and Dometic refrigerator. It's basically the kind of place where you could cook bacon, take a nap, and write bad poetry about the open road all in one afternoon. The truck rides on white-painted 16-inch steel wheels with Phantom AP tires. Braking comes from power-assisted discs up front and drums at the rear, while steering is power-assisted as well. I like the most that it still feels solid for a vehicle more than 50 years old. This beauty sold in January 2024 for $17,500. That's about 16,400 euros. And honestly, I think that's a bargain for a rolling slice of Americana. For that price, you're not just buying a camper, you're buying stories to make your friends jealous. And remember, you can become a sponsor of Camp Afto for just $1. That's right, $1, less than the price of a lukewarm gas station coffee. Sponsorship link is in the description, right under the video. Don't make me send Dave over to convince you.